Today we will see the electrophilic substitution reaction in furan pyrrole thiophene as well as pyridine. It means in a 5-membered as well as 6-membered heterocyclic ring. Electrophilic substitution reactions electrophilic substitution reactions in 5-membered and 6-membered heterocyclic ring. Okay. General electrophilic substitution reactions in 5-membered and 6-membered ring. Here, the example for the 5-membered heterocyclic ring is an furan. When furan is treated with any electrophile, then the electrophilic substitution takes place. Different probabilities of electrophilic substitution are as this is the first position as heteroatom first position, this is second, this is third, this one is fourth and fifth. The second and fifth positions are equivalent. That's why we have to take one position out of that two, that is the lowest position, as C2. Here we will say the electrophilic substitution at C2 position. And another possibility, the third and fourth positions are again equivalent. That's why we have to consider the lowest position, that is C3. Okay, it means now we will say the possibility of electrophilic substitution is better either at C2 or C3 position. Okay, then we conclude which position is favorable for electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, this double bond which is present in between second and third carbon, now that will be attacked on the electrophile from second position. This will be attacked, this double bond will be attacked on the electrophile, okay, from second position, which is called as electrophilic attack. Now, what happens here? This double bond remains as it is. These are the lone pair of electrons. Now, this double bond from second position attack on the electrophile. Okay, this is A electrophile and one proton which is already present on each of the carbon atom. And this carbon, now this carbon is electrophilic. It becomes positive since we are attacking this pi electron which are already present in between C2 and C3. Now third position becomes electron deficient. Now this positive charge and double bond are in conjugation. Now in order to stabilize that carbocation, these pi electrons are shifted towards this carbocation, and here we will get one more here the resonating structure which is shown by this arrow. Now this lone pair as it is, this is an electrophile E, this is H. Now this pi electron shifted here, formation of here double bond. Now this carbon becomes electron deficient which carries the positive charge. Again that positive charge and the lone pair which is present inside the ring, okay, this inside the ring, they are conjugated. Okay, this lone pair now here form the double bond and stabilize that carbocation. Then this is an A which is electrophile, this proton as it is, this double bond here. Now this lone pair which is present inside that form here the double bond and the oxygen which gives the electron lone pair to the carbon, and it becomes electron deficient, which is shown by positive charge. Okay, it is an positive electron deficient species. Okay, it is positive. Now these are the three structures 1, 2, 3 obtained by C2 electrophilic attack. Now the electrophilic attack takes place from the third position. Then we will get these structures, this lone pair as it is, this is a double bond, and now this double bond from third position will be attack on the electrophile, and this one is proton. Okay, and this carbon becomes electron deficient, shown by positive charge. Resonance, this positive charge and this lone pair of electron are in conjugation. They are in conjugation, that's why it donates electron to the carbon, that is shifting of electron towards that carbon takes place, and that carbon stabilizes by accepting the electron from that oxygen. Now this is H and A. As this donate electron here, now this oxygen becomes electron deficient, which is shown by the positive charge. Now there is no third possibility or third structure obtained. In this case, there are only two structures. Okay, as we know the rule of resonance, more the number of resonating structure, more stable will be that compound. Okay, on the basis of that rule, here when the electrophilic attack takes place at second position, then we will get here three resonating structures, while in case of C3 attack we will get only two structure. Hence on the basis of this, the C2 attack is favorable. Okay, this C2 electrophilic substitution is favorable. Okay, and similarly such electrophilic substitution in the 5-membered heterocyclic ring takes place in case of pyrrole as well as thiophene. Remaining part exactly same. We are only changing here the heteroatom. Instead of oxygen, if you take the nitrogen and hydrogen NH bond, then that becomes pyrrole, and if you replace oxygen by sulfur, it becomes thiophene. Same, that is all here in all 5-membered heterocyclic ring or compounds, the electrophilic substitution takes place at a C2 position, while now we will see the electrophilic substitution in 6-membered heterocyclic ring, that is an pyridine. In case of pyridine, we have to check the number of positions. Okay, here first one nitrogen, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Here second and this one sixth positions, both are exactly same. Second and sixth positions, these the two are exactly same. That's why we have to consider C2 position. Here in between 3 and 5, both are same. We have to consider the third position, and here the fourth, which is again the different from other. Okay, now we have selected the three different positions 2, 3 and 4. Now we will check here the favorable electrophilic substitution C2, then C3 and finally that is an C4 electrophile, E plus N electrophile. Now first of all we will check it for C2 electrophilic substitution. This double bond from the second position, it will shift on the second carbon and that will be attack on the electrophile. In this way, nitrogen remaining these two double bonds as it is. Now this bond is formed between this carbon and electrophile and proton is there. Okay. And now this carbon becomes positive, that is an electron deficient positive. In order to stabilize that positive carbon, there is a double bond which is already in conjugation. This double bond shifted here. Okay, in order to stabilize that carbocation, now it becomes, this is He, this double bond as it is, and here the lone pair which are present outside the ring, and if the electrons are present outside the ring, they are hybrid. Okay, they didn't take part in the resonance. Here by shifting of electron, this double bond here, and this carbon becomes electron deficient, which is shown by positive charge. Okay, now again this positive carbon is conjugated with this double bond. Now this double bond shifted here in order to stabilize that carbocation, and here we will get the structure as nitrogen. Here this is proton H, this is A as electrophile. Now this double bond shifted here, this double bond as it is, and the nitrogen will generate the deficiency that is shown by positive. This now this nitrogen is electron deficient. Okay, shown by positive charge. Now we will see the C3 attack. This double bond will be attacked from C3 position. These two double bonds remains as it is. Now the bond formed between electrophile and third carbon, this carbon becomes electron deficient. Okay, second carbon. Now this positive carbon and this double bond are in conjugation. This double bond will be shifted here in order to stabilize that carbocation, and we will get the structure as this double bond as it is. Now shifting of this electron here, this is electrophile and this is a proton. Now this carbon becomes electron deficient since we are shifting the electron from this carbon toward this carbon. Again that positive carbon is conjugated with this double bond. Again you can show the resonance here, shifting of that electron towards this carbocation, and here we will get this structure. This electrophile and protons remains as it is. Now double bond is shifted here and that carbon becomes positive. Okay, in this way we will get again the three structures. Finally we will see the C4 attack. Okay, now this double bond and this double bond remains as it is. The electrophilic substitution takes place at fourth position here, and this carbon becomes positive. Okay, here this carbon, that is the fifth carbon, becomes electron deficient. Now this carbon, electron deficient carbon, that is positive charge, and this double bond are in conjugation. Now what happens, this pi electron shifted here in order to stabilize that carbocation, and here we will get another resonating structure as this double bond as it is, shifting of electron here, this is an E and EH. Now due to loss of electron, okay, from this nitrogen, that nitrogen becomes positive. Okay, Here this electron present in between carbon and nitrogen. Again they are shifted from this one, from nitrogen only, but they are present towards the carbon. Here also they are present with carbon, here also this is with carbon. But now this nitrogen becomes electron deficient. Okay. Again here this nitrogen, this positive charge is conjugated with this double bond. In order to stabilize, these pi electrons shifted here in between this carbon and nitrogen, and we will get one more here structure, this lone pair as it is. Now that double bond shifted here, this double bond remains as it is, and this carbon now becomes electron deficient, carries the positive charge, and this is electrophile E and this one is H. Now observe all these structures. Okay, there is one of the important difference is there. See here, when the electrophilic substitution takes place at C2 position, there is one of the structure in which there is a nitrogen carries positive charge, that is electronegative atom carries positive charge. This is unstable structure compared to other two structures. Here in this case there is no such structure in which the nitrogen carries the positive charge. Okay, it means all these three structures are stable. In this case there is one of the structure in which here nitrogen is positive and that is unstable. It means when the electrophilic substitution takes place at a C3 position, we are getting the three structures which are stable. Okay, while in this case one structures are unstable. That's why the electrophilic substitution in pyridine takes place at a C3 position. Okay, now we stop here.